This audio program has been produced by Pub 365. New TOEIC Edge, Actual Test 2. Listening Test. In the listening test, you will have to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. The entire listening test will last approximately 45 minutes. There are 4 parts and directions are given for each part. You must mark your answers on the separate answer sheet. Do not write your answers in your test book. Part 1. Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
Some people are paddling through the water.
B.
Some people are crossing the bridge.
C.
Some people are walking along the shoreline.
D.
Some people are camping in a forest.
Statement A
Some people are paddling through the water.
is the best description of the picture, so you should select answer A and mark it on your answer sheet. Now, part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
The customer is waiting in a checkout line.
B.
The salesperson is bagging some groceries.
C.
Some handbags are displayed in the shopping center.
D.
The woman is putting her bag on a counter.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
Some cars are parked along the street.
B.
One of the cars has opened its door.
C.
Some vehicles are driving on the roads.
D.
Parking lots are full of trucks.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
They are working side by side.
B.
They are greeting each other.
C.
They are holding their heads.
D.
They are watching their laptops.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
Some light bulbs are being screwed on the ceiling.
B.
There are shoes on display.
C.
Footwear is left unattended in the corners.
D.
Some shelves are unoccupied.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
A window pane is being cleaned.
B.
Some books are located by the door.
C.
A headset is hanging on the wall.
D.
The bookshelf has been positioned next to the window.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
All people are having the food.
B.
A buffet has been prepared on a table.
C.
A man is using a fork.
D.
A chef is preparing the meal.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
Did Miss Sylvia Saint comment on our logo for the cosmetic firm?
A.
She suggested a few things.
B.
Let's listen to that later.
C.
In the cosmetics section.
Number 8.
Where did we put the dressing?
A.
What kind do you need?
B.
I'm putting it in the closet.
C.
Thanks, I've already used it.
Number 9.
How many workers attended the picnic last Sunday?
A.
My vacation will end tomorrow.
B.
Almost every employee.
C.
Ms. Margaret planned.
Number 10. Did we change the locker in the waiting room or is it still the same? A.
I don't think it's been replaced.
B.
The key of the same locker.
C.
$100 a month.
Number 11.
I examined the abandoned storage for a long time in preparation for it to be sold.
A.
Just for a couple of days.
B.
Not on Fridays.
C.
Good idea. I'll look online.
Number 12.
Ms. Kimberly recorded all of the comments for the documentary, didn't she?
A.
A different recorder.
B.
I think Mr. Moore did several of them.
C.
She will read the documents tomorrow.
Number 13.
Who will put this poster on the board?
A.
No, you are not allowed to do it.
B.
Mr. Gerald is going to do it.
C.
Always on Friday.
Number 14.
What should we do about the returned item?
A.
You can sell it on the online market.
B.
Ask the customer care department.
C.
Please seal it with tape.
Number 15.
Did you get a ticket for the jazz concert?
A.
Yes, I'm going on Monday.
B.
In the musical instrument,
C.
far away from the ticket box.
Number 16.
Why is the copier broken down so often?
A.
I think it gets a lot of use.
B.
She is in the office near the photocopy room.
C.
Please send these reports tomorrow.
Number 17.
Would you like some water or any other drinks?
A. $5 per cup. B. Thanks, but I'm not thirsty. C. At the cafeteria. Number 18.
Today is the end of the week, isn't it?
A.
I think next month.
B.
Yes, it is 5.
C.
Yes, you are right.
Number 19.
Could you help me locate the accounting department?
A.
No problem, I'll show you the way.
B.
No, I won't be there tomorrow.
C.
The reimbursement application form is expired.
Number 20.
The 2016 model is a tremendous improvement from its predecessors.
A.
Just a few more pictures.
B.
Oh, really? What do you like specifically?
C.
She probably needs some supplies.
Number 21. What does Mr. Kirk say about the plan for the Rotary Convention in Seoul? A.
The planning committee meets on Monday.
B.
Yes, I will do so.
C.
There are a few changes he has made.
Number 22.
Do you like the new items on the menu?
A.
I want a table for 4.
B.
The cafeteria is almost ready.
C.
I think it should be more diverse.
Number 23.
Where can I get a sample of our new product?
A.
I used it yesterday.
B.
Our general department has it.
C.
All company products are on sale right now.
Number 24.
Why haven't you contacted Wells Fargo Bank yet?
A.
Early May will be convenient.
B.
I'm just about to do so.
C.
It's in the back.
Number 25.
When will they begin repairs on the plumbing system?
A.
10 pairs of scissors.
B.
It took me 2 hours.
C.
They've already started.
Number 26.
We'd like to sell all sedan models with a special lower interest rate starting from July 1st.
A.
I got pre-orders from some old customers yesterday.
B.
I'd like to hear more.
C.
He probably will.
Number 27.
Miss Allen, you get your keynote speech or someone else invited.
A.
We will distribute a guest speaker.
B.
The big convention center.
C.
About 30 minutes.
Number 28. How can I replace the flat tire of the car parked in Central Park? A.
Have you checked the brochure?
B.
When the red light is on.
C.
I replaced the copies on your desk.
Number 29.
Do you think I can still get a ticket for the commuting train or too late?
A.
The commuting train ticket is cheap.
B.
Yes, the train is delayed.
C.
You might be able to it if you hurry.
Number 30.
We had nearly 300 visitors on Monday.
A.
That's almost 3 times as many as last week.
B.
Sorry, we're closed on Monday.
C.
Of course, all of them went.
Number 31.
Did remit my monthly wage to HSBC Bank.
A.
Remittance charges have gone up a lot lately.
B.
Money changes everything.
C.
Yes, I did it today.
Part 3. Directions. You will hear some conversations between 2 or more people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, Mr. Stan Hall. This is Tracy Green calling from the real estate office. I don't know whether you saw my email or not, but I sent a list of houses available for lease. They seem to meet your budget and preferences.
Actually, I just saw the email and one of the houses really stand out to me. The location is very good. I don't have a car and I have to be near a train station or a bus stop to commute. Could you schedule a time for me to view the house on Friday?
Sure. Can I have your email address? The owner asks that I only show the apartment on Saturday and Sunday, but I'll call him to check if he will make an exception. I know he's in a hurry to rent out the house.
Number 32. What did the man receive in the email? Number 33. What does the man require? Number 34. What does the woman say she will do next? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
I'm pleased that my restaurant has a good reputation. My business has really increased, but now I'm worried because people have to wait more than 30 minutes to be seated.
Yeah, I saw long waiting times too. I think it's time to expand the restaurant so that we can place more tables. We can also put some counters by the front door.
Very good. The other restaurant across the street was recently renovated. I am going to ask the business owner which company she used for the renovation.
Number 35. What problem does the man mention? Number 36. What solution does the woman propose? Number 37. What does the man say he will do? Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation. I know that you have designed a new refrigerator for us. It looks very different from the previous model.
Right. I listened to the comments of our many consumers. I know that the buttons on the refrigerator doors were confusing, so I made a lot of design changes for the new model. It looks more simple and is easy to use.
Very good. Do you know how soon we can release the new refrigerators into the market?
Unfortunately, I can't begin production at this point. There are too many old models left in stock. I think that the new models will launch at the end of May.
Number 38. What are the speakers discussing? Number 39. According to the woman, why were changes made? Number 40. What does the man inquire about? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Raphael. Because the two companies merged, it seems like all the employees want to leave the company and find other jobs. In fact, I've already applied for another company too.
You don't say. Then I'd better begin to look too. My job may not be safe either.
I hope you are wrong. You've been the top salesman here for years. If you don't have a safe job, then nobody does.
You know, the new management policy is different from what I think. I may have some conflicts with them.
Number 41. According to the woman, what has recently happened? Number 42. Why does the man say, you don't say? Number 43. What problem does the man mention about the new management? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Mr. Preston. I think we should show our appreciation to all the donors.
Last time we gave umbrellas to them. Why don't we just do the same thing?
I don't mind. However, won't we be receiving feedback from them?
Yes, I'm hoping they will be happy with them. I'll call the postal service to confirm how much the shipping is going to cost us.
Number 44. What is the conversation mainly about? Number 45. Why does the woman say, "I don't mind"? Number 46. Where does the man say he will contact? Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Have you heard? I'm going to resign my position as an advertising manager of this cosmetic company. I'll be leaving at the end of April.
Unbelievable. I thought you would be working with us for many more years, especially because you've been so interested in the new company's business.
We do have a brilliant advertising team. In fact, I think you will do well in leading them. Would you like to be my successor?
It will be an honor, but I know it will be quite challenging. I want to have time to think about it. I haven't accepted the company's job offer yet either.
I will tell the president that you will be the right person.
Thank you very much.
Number 47. Why was the woman surprised? Number 48. What does the man say about this cosmetic company? Number 49. Why does the woman ask for more time? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, this is Jimmy Scott calling from Collins Company. We bought our new photocopiers last month. We are having problems with both of them.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you describe the problems you're experiencing?
The paper keeps jamming on one, and the other one doesn't print color copies.
I'll send someone over to take a look for you. I'll need your purchase order number.
Sorry, I don't know it right now. I will give you it later. By the way, when will the technician arrive?
I'll contact our technical support department right away.
Number 50. Why did the man call the woman? Number 51. What did the company receive last month? Number 52. What will the woman probably do next? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Ms. Lucas. How many of today's shipments have gone out so far?
Well, we've loaded 2 trucks. We need 3 more trucks for today, don't we, Mr. Oswaldo?
Yes, a huge order is coming in. We may need larger trucks. How about our vehicles, Ms. Whitney?
Wait a moment. All our larger trucks are out of town now. Let me talk to my previous coworker's freight company. His name is Mr. Buford Young. They may have trucks available.
That's a good idea. How soon can we hear from them?
I can't guarantee a time, but I'll try to get a response before lunch.
Number 53. What problem does the man mention? Number 54. According to Ms. Whitney, how does she know Mr. Buford Young? Number 55. By when will the speakers most likely receive a response from Mr. Buford Young? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Miss Rowland. I think you should prepare a model house for the sales office.
Hi, Mr. Fraser. Can you tell me when it needs to be done by, Mr. Phillip? Also, where I will work and how many houses should I prepare?
You need to prepare 10 houses by the end of next month on Pine Tree Street.
Sorry, I've just begun work on floor plans for DuPont Shopping Mall. Therefore, I don't have a minute to spare.
Yes, I know it's not much time. I will get Mr. Norris to take over everything else.
I'll come to your office this morning, Ms. Rowland. Let's discuss it then. Number 56. What will Ms. Rowland's job most likely be? Number 57. Why does Ms. Rowland deny Mr. Fraser's offer? Number 58. Where will Mr. Norris meet Mr. Fraser? Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation.
Good afternoon, this is Kimberly Allen. I'm calling about enrolling in your photography classes. Could you give me more information?
Yes, we have everything from basic to advanced classes.
I want to know about instructors, the class hours, the fee, and so on.
Okay, each one is led by an experienced instructor. The classes begin on Friday at 3 p.m. and last 3 hours. The tuition is $150, but if you pay in advance for 2 classes, you'll get a 20% discount.
That's good news. I think I'd like to go ahead and pay for 4 of them then.
How would you like to pay for it?
I would like to pay with a credit card. Should I give you all my information or just the card number over the phone?
You can only do that through our website or in person at the reception desk.
I see. I'll visit your office tomorrow morning.
Number 59. Why is the woman calling? Number 60. How can the woman get a discount? Number 61. What will the woman do next? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation. Hi, this is Garvin King. I'm calling because I'd like to make a reservation for September 10th through the 20th. Is it possible to put my reservation on hold until I figure out how many people will stay?
Yes, you will be able to cancel the rooms if you have to reduce the total number of people. There will be no cancellation fee if the change is made at least 2 weeks before the reserved date.
Sure, I'd really appreciate it. By the way, do all guest rooms have internet service?
Of course they do. Since September is a special month, I'll send you a coupon you can use for a discount. Please remember to show it when you check in.
Number 62. Where does the woman work? Number 63. What does the woman tell the man about? Number 64. Look at the graphic. How much will the man receive as a discount? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, this is Vanessa LeMay. What extension should I dial to call Ms. Susie Randolph?
Are you calling from the reception desk, madam?
Yes, I'm at the reception. I am looking at the directory list behind the phone. I don't know which department Miss Susie Randall works in.
Miss Susie Randall works in the accounting department. She should be in the office right now.
Yes, I found the number here. Thanks a lot for your help.
Number 65. Why is the woman calling? Number 66. What is the woman looking at now? Number 67. Look at the graphic. Which extension number will the woman dial? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'd like to reserve a seat for the bus to Los Angeles. Could you tell me when the next bus leaves?
We have one departing at 10:30 a.m. There are plenty of seats available on that.
If there's nothing leaving any earlier, that one will do, as long as it gets me there by 4 p.m. I can't be late for an important conference there.
When will you be returning?
On May 25th, as soon as possible after 6 p.m. You can reserve me in the best seat that I can purchase under $100.
Good, I'll make a reservation for you.
Number 68. What does the woman ask the man to do? Number 69. What does the woman say is significant? Number 70. Look at the graphic. Where will the woman be seated on the bus? Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following recorded message.
Hi, this is Lawrence Dingman. I made a reservation for my son's birthday dinner for a private room at your restaurant. It's for July 28th. My son is turning 8 years old, so it's a very special occasion. One of the guests we invited will be in a wheelchair, so he can't go up and down the stairs. I want to make sure that he'll be comfortable the whole time there. Can you send me the ingredients for all the menus? I want to make sure there is nothing that can cause allergic reactions. Thank you.
Number 71. What event is being planned? Number 72. What does the speaker mention about one of the guests? Number 73. What will the speaker want to receive? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following announcement.
Welcome to our weekly employee conference. I have heard many complaints about the litter around our hotel. Now is the time we must act to solve this problem. This is the main reason why we have invited you all to this conference. We have seen a massive amount of trash scattered around our hotel building. We can't let this go on any longer. I'll tell you what, if you want to solve this problem, we'll gladly show you how to help. For this issue, we have found an environmental specialist, Miss Jessie Ward, and today she will show us how we can effectively maintain our hotel to be much cleaner than it is now. Please give her a hand.
Number 74. Why are the listeners invited to attend the meeting? Number 75. What does the man mean when he says, "I'll tell you what"? Number 76. What is Miss Jessie Ward's job? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following broadcast. Now you are listening to Southworth Radio. I'm Morton Cummings. On today's program, I'd like to talk about the annual flower show that is coming up. There will be many great gardening tips and tricks shared. Also, there will be a chance to talk to fellow gardeners about the new gardening programs. To attend, go to the Southworth Radio's website and sign up for a chance to win 4 free tickets to the flower show. Number 77. What most likely is the speaker's job? Number 78. What will be discussed today? Number 79. According to the speaker, what can the listeners do on the Southworth Radio's website? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following news.
You're listening to Popular Entertainment News. Mr. Travis Gale is joining us for today's show. He is famous for the country music events that he hosts. He is very experienced when it comes to organizing a performance at all the different venues. However, today he joins us to talk about electronic tickets for concerts and events. As most of you know, there has been a rise in electronic tickets in place of actual tickets made of paper. Although electronic tickets seem far better than the old ones, Mr. Travis Gale says that electronic tickets have its flaws. With electronic tickets, identification is difficult because anyone can access the tickets as long as they have internet service. Some concert venues are considering changing to paper tickets only to avoid fraudulent electronic tickets.
Number 80. Who is Mr. Travis Gale? Number 81. What will be discussed on the program? Number 82. What is the concert host considering? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following announcement.
Frederico Corporated is one of the nominees for the Best Global Manufacturing Association Award. Frederico Corporated was the first manufacturer in the rechargeable batteries industry. The company first opened its doors in Panama 10 years ago, and since then it has grown rapidly. Beginning next year, the company will introduce a new line of power tools that operate with rechargeable batteries. Not only is this more convenient, but it uses far less energy than power tools from other brands. Please vote for Frederico Corporated for the Best Global Manufacturing Association Award.
Number 83. What is the purpose of the announcement? Number 84. What does Federico Corporated produce? Number 85. What does Federico Corporated plan to do next year? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following announcement.
Hello everyone, welcome to our yearly medical conference. Today, we have a very important speaker that will be sharing the latest news on medical technology. Once lunchtime is over, you can choose from a variety of medical workshops where you can share ideas with your peers. I have been notified that there has been a change made to the program. Dr. Dryden will be giving his presentation tomorrow instead of today.
Number 86. Who is the announcement intended for? Number 87. What will the listeners do today? Number 88. What is said about Mr. Dryden? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following announcement.
Hello everyone. Make sure to mark April 15th on your calendar because the International Heritage Days Fair is about to start. How exciting! A vast amount of competitors from all different events will demonstrate their many talents. There will be a wood chopping competition, a high jump for dogs, and the Stockman's horse trial, just to name a few. Gourmet food and drinks will be included in the fair as well, so you do not want to miss out.
Number 89. Where will the event take place? Number 90. What does the high jump feature? Number 91. What does the woman mean when she says, "How exciting"? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following talk.
The following agenda for our Municipal Planning Committee is a discussion regarding the old school on Rainier Road. We received 2 suggestions from local people who are interested in the property. The first request is to change the school into a shopping center. The second request is to change the school into an apartment complex. However, some residents are concerned that both options will significantly increase the price of rent in that area. Before we come to a conclusion, I would like to invite the 2 people interested in the property to the next meeting. Each party will be given time to explain their plans for the property.
Number 92. What is the talk mainly about? Number 93. According to the speaker, what are the residents concerned about? Number 94. What does the speaker propose? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following announcement and leaflet.
Attention! This week, we will have a huge sale on select shoes. 50 different pairs of shoes will be 25% off. The sale will begin on Thursday. Thursday's sale will be for women and children's shoes, and Friday will be for men's shoes. Our original plan was to end the sale on Saturday, but we've decided to extend the sale till Sunday. We hope you will enjoy our weekend sale. Please remember that we will have a limit for the number of purchases on select products on sale. The limit is 2 pairs of shoes per customer, and the sale will be concluded for the day when 50 pairs have been sold.
Number 95. What is limited about this sale? Number 96. How much is the discount? Number 97. Look at the graphic. Which day will have a change? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following presentation and graph.
I'd like to begin this presentation with a shout out to the marketing department for their outstanding work this year. If you take a look at this graph, you can see how much they have done. We have good products to sell, but it is the hard work, dedication, and determination from the marketing department that drove up our figures this year. Their creative marketing methods pay off and really helped us in the long run. With the success of a new line of tablet computers that were introduced earlier this spring, I can foresee a bright future. We may even set a new record in sales. Moving on, let's discuss some of those sales strategies we glossed over earlier.
Number 98. Who will the man probably be? Number 99. Why does the man thank the sales department? Number 100. What does the man imply about sales next January? This is the end of the listening test. Turn to part 5 in your textbook. End of recording.